Hello friends, and welcome to another episode of the Urban Homesteading channel. If today is your first time visiting with us, I want to extend to you a very warm welcome and invite you to view any of our almost 500 videos arranged for your convenience in playlists, as we are confident you're going to find something both entertaining and useful to consume. If you've been here before and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. If today's your birthday, we want to wish you a very happy birthday. Today is a Wednesday quickie, since it's the middle of the week, and we decided to show you how you can save a lot of money and update the look of appliances and door handles and things like that in your house by using simply a can of spray. How much that was? I don't remember. Do you remember?
It was about $5 or $6.
For $5 or $6, much cheaper than buying doorknobs, which are very expensive, or definitely buying a new range or even new door pulls, right?
Yeah.
So today, follow us and we're going to show you a very interesting and very inexpensive way to update your house, your kitchen, your bathrooms, any space of your house with just a can of spray. So stick around and I hope you enjoy this episode. A drop cloth is what we call it?
Yeah.
To protect our surfaces, and we are going to make an opening here and tape around the range, the hood range. Mm-hmm. And we're going to show you this process. You want to go ahead? It's very exciting. And I guess this is not critical to be precise, is it?
Well, not really, but I want to make sure that I have plenty of space for doing what I want to do here. And if you need to widen it a little bit, obviously you can.
And this is definitely I won't say the hardest part of this, but it is definitely
Well, you have to be pretty precise since we're not removing the hood. We want to make sure we're not getting it on our cabinets or anything else.
Now you could remove the hood and that would be a smart thing, but my experience so far with this property is that when you remove things, there is a lot of rust behind them and makes the job much harder than it should be. So we're going to try and do this with the hood in place. And I guess trying is the operant word here, right? So you go around and we're going to show you when we're done, but you want to tape all the surfaces that you don't want to paint. And we don't want to paint anything but the range.
The hood, not the range.
Is it not called the range?
It's a range hood.
A range hood, okay.
Yeah.
A range hood, folks. Don't make them mistake. Okay, your application might be slightly different. We only had one control panel to, to tape, which is the light control and the fan control high and low. And now we are going to clean it a little bit to ensure that the color will adhere, will not bubble up. Now keep in mind, if this experiment doesn't work, you can always replace that. The idea is we're trying to save this from being replaced. We try to keep it because, believe it or not, this works much better than the one we have in our apartment, which is newer but doesn't do anything.
Mm-hmm. Plus, we're trying to, be green and reuse things that actually work.
Not put things in the landmark.
Updating.
So we're going to use Upscale Bright Coat Metallic Finish Copper, which is the same one we use for the cabinet pulls.
Mm-hmm.
And simply we're going to start, and God help us.
Already looking beautiful. Don't you think?
And you want light coats because you don't want dripping. Drippage. Drippage? me if I miss any surfaces.
There's a little bit, there's a couple
Yeah,
spots
on
over
this
on the side.
corner right here.
I think here and here, there's two little spots.
What was that?
It's the dogs playing.
That was very loud playing for the dogs.
Oh, they're on the deck.
Miss anything?
They're up on this edge here,
Right next to the belly.
Yeah.
probably along this whole edge. And then that, no, right here. Yeah. There's a little spot right there.
Okay, let's wait because I see
Yeah.
a few runs, so I think we're
Okay.
going to. It already looks good, I think. What do you think, love?
Looks really nice. Fabulous color.
Fabulous color. is
Yeah,
that-
on the camera right now, because of the light, I think it looks a little bit brass, but in person, it is a beautiful copper.
And it modernized it immediately, almost, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed today's short episode, and if you did, we will appreciate your thumbs up. If you didn't, the other button works as well. Share, like, subscribe, and let us know what you would like to see in future episodes in our channel. And I hope you're enjoying this new series that we do for you as we upgrade the house we bought to make it fit our style and our needs. From the Garage Woodworker, Miss Woodworker, and the Urban Homesteading channel, want to wish you a great week. Stay indoors, wash your hands, and we're going to see you soon with another episode. Farewell, friends. Right? Is this a lift bridge or a drop bridge? What kind of bridge is it?
I don't know. Looks like they can take pieces out of it. Somehow.
You can gently take your fingers and move the camera up and down if you don't see what you want to see. And if you can see it, this is the result of the sandpipers fishing on the sand. So I hope it comes through the camera. It's a very intriguing byproduct of their fishing. I think it's very, very interesting.